Hello everyone, welcome again, and today I'm going to show you one AI agent that is I just pushed the code over the Git, so you can directly download the code from the Git. I will add the link in the description box as well, or you can navigate to this URL. I will give it to you in the description. You can check the complete detail of it, like what this agent is doing. What we are doing, it's building test cases from the requirement, and this is for the especially for the testing purpose. So it's using Ollama as a LML tool in the backend, which is available free, and we are using Node.js. As we are using Ollama free, the performance will be low, but in case if you want to improve it on the real time, you can upgrade it to into the paid LLMs. Okay, so what are the key features we have? It can generate the test cases into the plain text requirement, and it's the AI is there in the backend who's going to generate the test cases, provide the response, and we don't need any cloud or subscription to run this at your machine. So locally you can run it perfectly fine, and then it can provide the output into the JSON format. It can click on the you can download the Excel sheet, and I will give you demonstration of that in a while. And the technology it's using, it's Node.js, Express.js, HTML for the development purpose. Ollama is a LML tool. XLX, we are generating the outputs and downloading the file, the test case file. So this will be your view, the home page, and these are the screenshots. So you can refer this URL, and if you want to download the code of it, you can download it from here. Here's the Git repo, and you will get the complete detail of it, what technologies it's using. Okay, so currently it's running on my local host, which is on localhost 3000. This is the code structure, folder structure you can see in my local. And now let me give it some prompt, and let's see how it's generating the results. Okay, so I'm just giving a simple prompt to write a test cases for a login option. Write test cases for login into a web page with username and password field. Okay, I'm just giving it a summary, and you can give it a more detail about the page. So the Ollama is a free tool, so it might take time to generate the result, but it will generate the result. So this is good for learning purpose, but if you are going to use into real-time projects, you must have to use the paid tools like GPT or Sonnet and Copilot and other things. So they will provide response very quickly. So it took some time to 1 or 2 minutes, and then you can see the results are there. It's showing our done test cases generated successfully. I will see here it's giving the complete test case ID and then valid login credential, the title of it, then positive test case, negative test case, and priority of it, preconditions, steps, and expected result. Test case 2, test case 3 also is giving the data into the raw JSON format. So if you want to get the JSON response, you can take it, and yeah, we can copy that JSON here. We can download the JSON from here, and here the important thing, download the generated Excel sheet. So when you click on this, it will download all the test cases into your Excel sheet, and you can directly share it with client or your manager. Okay, so no. So this is the test case it's generating. So you can see the complete test detail is there. I guess I should open into a different tool. Let me open it. So now I'm going to open it into my WPS office. So see all the details that the test cases that we have seen there is coming here, the complete steps. So we can just format it, and then we can share the sheet. So you can review it, all the areas like 9 test cases it's added, and this is completely as required. And when you use more powerful LLMs, it will give you more keen results. And